Hi and welcome back to my channel. This is a tour of the Dreams Riviera Cancun resort, and this is the main entrance and main lobby, including the check-in area, and behind that little gated off area is a check-in for larger groups. I was greeted with a cold towel, a cold water bottle, and some champagne, which is an amazing way to start off any vacation. And then further past the check-in area, you'll see this little kind of aesthetic looking area here that is great as a backdrop for pictures. And then to the right is the lobby bar, and I'll show a better visual of that. And then to the left is just a seating area. So that is the lobby bar, and at this time of day it wasn't really busy. And then just further past that hallway is the main area of the resort, and you'll see that it was set up for a wedding. And looking back towards the check-in area, this makes for a great backdrop for a wedding, for the couple to be standing there and kind of have that as their backdrop. And then this again is the main area of the resort, and it's the two buildings that have all the rooms, and they're exactly the same, they just mirror each other. This is the preferred Oceanview pool front, and as a preferred room, there are some added amenities and some added luxuries, including butler service. And from here, you have direct view of the ocean and of the pool area. You do get that beach bag with the beach towels in it. There is a jacuzzi on the balcony, and then there is also one in the restroom area. You have a separate shower, and it does comes with the shower attachment, and then you have a separate toilet area. And this is the closet space with the robes and slippers, as is with any room on the resort. And then the sink area with the amenities, and the amenities in the preferred room are also stepped up. And then this is the mini fridge that's stocked with drinks. And then as a preferred member, you also do get some snacks. If you do opt for the pool, this is the pool, so it's separated. It's not a swim out, they call it a plunge pool. And if that's what you get, then each room has that. And this is the preferred Oceanfront master suite. So you'll see why it's considered a master suite. The living area is separate from the bedroom area, and you'll see in the bedroom area it is floor to ceiling windows, which just allows for ample natural light to come in. You have your jacuzzi that's outside of the bathroom area, and then stepping in, you'll see that it's huge in here. There is a lot of space. It is massive. Again, because it is preferred, you have the amenities, the upgraded amenities, and then you have the separate doors for the shower and the toilet. And then this door actually leads back out to the main area, back into the quote unquote living room area. And so you'll see that's nice to have, so you can just kind of walk through instead of walking around. And then there is also a seating area in the bedroom, and I just even you don't even have to step outside to get a view of the ocean. You can just literally be laying in bed and you will get that ocean view because of how large the windows are. And then stepping out onto the balcony, you have a view of the resort and you have your ocean view. And then there is also a jacuzzi as well as a seating area. And then there is two doors to get out here. So there's a door from the living room as well as a door from the bedroom. And then going back inside, you'll see that in the kitchenette area, there is seating, and then there is also a full fridge and freezer, so it's not mini. You have your snacks, of course, as a preferred club member, and then you do get to choose a bottle of top shelf liquor to have in your room. And then the fridge and freezer. So in the fridge is your drinks. It's stocked with drinks, and if I haven't already mentioned it, this does come with butler service. So you have your drinks, and then there is also a microwave, which will and might come in handy. And then this is a separate closet space, which will have the robes in it, slippers, And this is the preferred club lounge. So you do have to be a preferred club member to have access to this lounge. And it's just additional little bites if you're feeling for something, throughout the day. So I got here as they were switching from breakfast to lunch. So you'll see they have some pastries out already, and they had some of the lunch out. And then you'll see that they were clearing away the breakfast. So that's what the breakfast looks like. And then the main resort area, the main pool area. So you have that nice little sign there, which makes for a great backdrop. It's very, picturesque. And then there is also this giant chess game, and there's ample seating. There's lots of seating around the pools and even on the beach area. And then the mini water park, which is a new addition. So there's a couple of small water slides and just a water area for children. And then there's the Oceana Seafood Restaurant. So that's also in the pool area. And then there is the main activity pool, as well as a pool that's a little bit quieter. And then on top of the Oceana restaurant is this terrace. So this is perfect for any reception or meeting areas because it's large. It is very large. You can't tell from the video here, but it's a very large area for any type of cocktail reception. And also because you do get a view of the resort and the ocean from up here. So it is a beautiful backdrop as well for any type of receptions or meetings. So I loved the view from here. I loved it. And then moving away from the pool area and back to closer to the front of the resort is the Desires Music Lounge. So at night, this does turn into a nightclub for adults only. And then also in this space are any meeting rooms. So for weddings, meetings, conferences, any type of that, any type of rooms for those functions, this is where you will find it. And then this is Coco Cafe. And this is open 24 hours. Again, especially if you're not a preferred club member, this is where you'd come if you're feeling for something in the middle of the night or even just during the day. A lot of pastries, sandwiches, there's gelato. And then for the actual restaurants, this is Bordeaux, which is the French restaurant. Now, I was here during the day, so none of the specialty restaurants were open, but you can see the menu. And this restaurant is adults only, and it is formal attire. And you'll see the menu here. So there's lots to choose from. And of course, it is seated and it is first come, first serve. There's no real reservations. You kind of just come, and if there is a wait in the evening, then you'll receive a buzzer and it'll be buzzed when your table is ready. And this is how it looks inside the restaurant. So it's very, very elegant inside. Definitely can tell why it's adults only. And then the next restaurant is El Patio, which is the Mexican cuisine restaurant. So you'll see that there's a lot of Mexican influence here, and this is the menu. And then they do have the children's menu as well. And when you step inside, it is decorated very, very tastefully. And I was told that even with the art on the wall, it includes art and just the culture and dressing from the different parts of Mexico. And then this is Portofino, which is also a new addition to the resort. And this is the Italian restaurant. And you'll see here again, it's very tastefully decorated, very elegant, very classy. And then there is Himitsu, which is the Asian cuisine. And there is teppanyaki here available, so you will need a reservation for that. And that does fill up pretty quickly. It is pretty popular. But if you don't want the teppanyaki, you can also order off the regular menu. And then this is the buffet area, which is open for breakfast, lunch, and dinner. So this is when they were just setting up lunch, and you'll see there's a lot of small bites. Again, a lot of Mexican inspired cuisine. And then there's your traditional Mexican food, and then there's just regular food. So, you can always get fries, pastas, rice. There's always a salad station. This was some pastas, and then they also did have some seafood going on. And then, of course, if you wanted to add any toppings, any sauces, any garnishes onto your meals, this was like a wedges platter. And then you got your stir fry going on here. And then when we move out back to the pool area, you have the grill, the barefoot grill. So this is where you'll get your burgers, your hot dogs, and small bites. and they did have pizza as well. And I believe there's also tacos here, a variety of sauces, every kind of sauce you can think of. And then the Seaside Grill, which is for preferred club members only. And I had gotten the Caesar salad from here as the appetizer. And you'll see that they even have steak. And so you can get steak in the middle of the day. Yes, you can. So I got the Caesar salad to start. Oh, sorry, we were given nachos and just some dips to start. And then I got the Caesar salad as my appetizer. And then this was also like a tostito with some seafood. And then my steak with mashed potatoes. It was really, really good. Really good. And we also did get dessert. And then for the Explorers Club, there is a theater there. The Explorers Club is open from 9 a.m. to 10 p.m. and it's for ages 3 to 12. And of course, parents do have to be on site. So you can't leave your child there and leave the resort. And I don't like to record children, so that's why I didn't get much footage from the water park or from the Explorers Club. And then this is the beach area. So unfortunately, the beach here isn't the greatest, but there's so much to do on site that it doesn't even matter. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.